Hey there, and welcome to the 13th. Well, I made an attempt to get down there today. It's now unfortunately 6 o'clock at night. By the time I get there, it's gonna be way too late to even start anything. We had to go shopping today, so I wasn't able to get out there. So what I've done doing today is just get all my letters back on here, making sure I got all my gear ready for tomorrow, and we're gonna make another attempt. When I got back, it was freaking skies are black, blowing, and I just wasn't gonna get in the water like I wanted to. So I'll go ahead and get my letters all replaced the best I can. You can hear the goats in the background. So, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to make an attempt tomorrow. Oh, yeah. Yesterday I made the attempt, and what happened? Got a flat tire. I backed in here, and I didn't realize I had a couple of boards over here with nails sticking out. I got a flat tire. So, I'm telling you, it's not been easy trying to get where I need to get with this. Right now I got fix-a-flat in the tire right now. And it appears to be holding. I can't guarantee it though. Tomorrow, if it's flat, then I'm going to have to go. I got a patch kit, and I'm going to have to patch it. The way it's set up, I couldn't do the plug. Or I would have done a plug in it, but I couldn't do a plug. Right now, I'm placing all my freaking letters curled up while I had it down there at the pond. I didn't get a chance to wait to get the trailer on the road. And what are you gonna do? I need some H's and I don't have any. I really need to, instead of taping these numbers on, I really should go ahead and see if I can paint them on with glue or regular paint. You know, we've done the L's. I'm just going to get stencils. And next time around, I'm just going to go ahead and paint them on here. Spray rubber is all sticky, so all it did was freaking stick to the ground, and I got every bush and everything I could get, everything could stick to it would stick to it. It never dried. Goats are noisy, aren't they? There's an R. I got a bad R on the switching over here. R. You are G4. Good. Let's just see. Let's see, need to replace. But, yep, we're gonna make an attempt. Which I got no H's. No H's and no E's. Got an ounce. I got a 4. I got another 4. I think I got a bad 4. Somehow make make the numbers permanent. I don't know how I'm going to do that. It's almost done. Give me another zero. Give me a 0. And that whole side's going to be done in the G's. Yeah? What's the problem? What is the problem? More letters that I need. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. Definitely share. I'm gonna get on the water tomorrow and start the first search. Try it out in the sonar systems. Start out by using the active transducer. They are telling me that it's not going to work with the structure module. Holders. I don't have another Mini. Seriously? I'm not even used to it. Elizabeth looks like crap too because she got freaking covered with pond mud. In here. Bites. Alright, so here we are. The letters all look good except for H's and H's and E's. Not much I can do about it. Elizabeth is back. Name is back on here like it should be. E on that side and an H on this side. Alright, there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. If you have anything or anyone to be searched for, leave me a comment and I will get you into the searching for network.